Hi, welcome to the studio where I will show you how to add a GIF to Shopify product page. So let's get started. First of all, GIFs are images that are uh, playing like a video, but not actually a video. They don't have audio normally, and they are for like 10 seconds. Their duration is like for 10 seconds. So they represent as moving images. So to add that, first of all, select a GIF, open giphy.com. After clicking on, after opening the page, giphy.com page, on another tab, log into your Shopify store. After logging into your Shopify store, click on the Shopify admin page. After getting in, click on the online store button that is on the left side of the screen. After clicking on the online store button, click on the themes button. Now click on the customize button. A menu bar will appear in the left corner of the screen. Next is to write the name of your store. Now go back to the GIF page and click on embedded and copy the link. After clicking on embedded and copying the link, go back to Shopify and paste the link here. Go back to GIF page and click on share and copy the GIF link. Now after sharing and after clicking on share and copying the GIF link, go to Shopify and now click on the insert link button. After clicking on the insert link button, now paste the link here and click on the save button. After that, go to products page and click on add your products. After going to the products page, click on add your products button and now you will see the GIF here. So save the entire thing and you are done. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.